So here is this Atoms app, which is going viral these days because this is original app from Atomic Habits book, where it's super easy to create the habits and track your habits based on based on your goals, and just define your habits. So here, for example, if I did a run today, then I can just complete the habit here, and then habit reflection, and then you can just do that, and then you see these habit reflections. So and then you can just see your progress, total repetitions, and all of that. But you can also add a home screen widget. If you tap and hold, then you will see like the Atoms app, which you can just tap to add a widget, and then just tap done. There is only one size of the widget. Whoopsie, seems it's not that functional yet, but I guess they will just fix it up, or something is just happening. It's kind of like a new app, so maybe there are some kind of bugs, but seems it should be possible to add it like that.